The sum of two numbers is at most 12, and the sum of 3 times the first number and 8 times the second number is at least 48. So, in this case, we're comparing two numbers, right? X, we'll call X the first number, we'll call Y the second number, because in our graph that we're given, it says the Y-axis represents the second number and X-axis represents the first number. So it says the sum of the two numbers is at most 12. So sum, meaning I'm adding them together, at most means that it could be equal to 12, but it's either that or less than that because it's at most 12. Then my second equation here is going to be the sum of 3 times the first number, so 3x, and 8 times the second number, and again, because it's the sum we are adding, is at least 48. So in this case here, at least, meaning it could be 48 or greater, so we're going to have a greater than symbol. Now we have our system of equations, so we're going to graph this. So we could either use the intercepts if we plug in 0 for x and for y and then solve for the other one, and that could graph it for us. Or we can put it in slope-intercept form. I'm going to go ahead and do slope-intercept form here, so I get y is less than or equal to negative x plus 12. So what that looks like is plus 12, negative x is negative 1 is our slope. So there is our first line, and it is less than that, so it's everything in here. Our second equation, I'm going to go ahead, this is going to be a little bit uglier, so we get 8y is greater than or equal to negative 3x plus 48. Divide both sides by 8, I get y is greater than, actually do it over here, y is greater than or equal to negative 3/8 x plus 6. So I'm going to go up 6, and my slope is negative 3/8. So I'm going to go down 3 and over 8, down 3 and over 8. And there is my line, and it is equal to, so it is a solid line, and it says that it is at least 48, so it's everything above here, meaning our shaded area in both is going to be this, let's say this green color that I am showing here. So this is where they overlap. So a possible answer could be that the first number is 2 and the second number is 8.